Kalimera from Chania, my most favorite city in all of Greece, and I want to take you along with me today, something a little bit different. Just want to show you some of my favorite spots to eat at while I'm here. You can probably see with all the hustle and bustle around me and the sights and sounds of Chania. We've got a busy street here, and across the road we've got Red Jane Bakery. I want to show you just how delicious their pastries are. Really Surrey Hills vibes, I love it. Try your coffee. Strong. I got a Freddo espresso. That's my go-to. I got the choux, which is choux pastry, me crema caramella, so caramel inside. I'm just gonna go straight for it because it looks bloody brilliant. Yeah, that's brilliant. How am I gonna get through the day eating everything? The second thing I ordered was the cruffin, me crema frutuki, which is hazelnut praline or hazelnut cream. I think I'm gonna like this one more than the other one. The other one was really good. Yeah, that pastry is amazing. So the next place we're going to is Giannarakis, which is a shop that sells mostly and only Kalitsounia. Kalitsounia are those fried pastries, Cretan fried pastries. And they would have, let's just try not to die here first. They would have a lot of flavor combinations too. I'm excited for this. We went really modern and now we're gonna go nice and traditional Cretan. Kalimera. Τι έχουμε σήμερα?
Είναι μυζήθρα με ανθότυρο.
Τέλεια.
Μυζήθρα με κόρτο.
So there's a whole different range of different cheeses from Crete. You've got ανθότυρο, graviera, malaka, but not that way. First Cretan specialty, we've got marathopites. Now maratho is fennel, so you've got those fennel fronds, so crispy. Perfect little snack. So this next one was spanakotiro. That's pretty self-explanatory, spinach, cheese. If you love spanakopita, you'll love a spanakotiro kalitsounia. And another little specialty they do, this one is just onion. I love anything onion. Oh my God, that's my favorite. It's so sweet. The star moment. All right, there's a Giannarakis. Giannarakis actually means little lights. That's why it looks like a sun. And like I said, it is the best. The only thing I can compare this to for you to understand is a cheesecake. But it's so much more than a cheesecake. It goes way beyond that because of the mizithra, the Cretan mizithra they use. Sweet, sour, and just crumbly. Oh my God. You don't understand how much I love these. So we're going to the Souvlaki Opos Palia. So the Souvlaki, the traditional way, the old way how it was done. Very popular place if you want a gyro, pito gyro, Souvlaki pita. I'm excited for this. Looks really good. Artists. Oh mate, this smells so good. And I'm so full. A lot of the time they don't use tzatziki, so don't be surprised if you order a gyro and there's no tzatziki in it. It's just plain yogurt. That's how I prefer it when I'm in Crete. So I got the pork gyro, and I know just by looking at it, I'm gonna love it. Oh my God, that's so good. The Souvlaki Opos Palia, far out. And you know what? He was such a gentleman. He was so nice. Another great person. The epitome of Cretan hospitality you'll find in the people. Like I said, that's what I love about this place. Your girl's full. You know how they say you eat sweets with your heart, not your stomach? I'm opposite NtouRouNtou bakery, which is one of my favorite bakeries, and we're going to film something in depth with them in a few days. And I found their Chania store because I usually visit their one in Souvlaki. Again, another bakery that is everything Cretan and also a little modern. Bummer. I've never seen a chocolate Giannarakis before. Mate, the phone eats before I do. And really, I do need a bit of time between meals because lucky I wore stretchy pants, man. Oh my God, there's chocolate inside. It keeps getting better. That's the one. So those are my favorite spots in Chania. I've got so many more to share with you, but I thought I'd give you a little taste of something, some different things, some traditional things. It's time to hit up the beach now. But when you're in Chania, just go for a walk, get lost, explore. I guarantee you're going to find gems here.